going to solve an 8 by 8. You can see this is an 8 by 8.